tuning in. Welcome to 8 p.m. News. You are watching top news of the hour. Thousands gathered at Hostet Square in Tel Aviv for an emotional night of unity and hope. Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner praised Donald Trump for his role in the Gaza ceasefire and hostage deal. Ivanka Trump conveyed her father's message of solidarity as families awaited their loved ones' return. U.S. President Donald Trump directed Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth to use all available funds to ensure American troops receive pay on October 15 despite the shutdown. Trump blamed Democrats and Chuck Schumer for the crisis. He said the radical left shutdown threatens national security and military families already face hardship. Fresh clashes erupted between Pakistan Army and Afghan forces along the border in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. Taliban troops allegedly opened fire first. Pakistan responded with heavy shelling destroying Afghan posts. Islamabad blamed Kabul for sheltering TTP militants. The violence follows reported Pakistani airstrikes near Kabul earlier this week. Shashi Tharoor condemned the alleged police attack on Congress MP Shafi Parambil during a protest in Kerala. He called it unacceptable and a violation of democratic norms. Tharoor said Congress will approach the Parliamentary Privilege Panel. The party announced statewide protests against what it termed police brutality on legislators. Pawan Khera criticized Amit Shah for linking Muslim population growth to infiltration. He said Shah is trying to polarize voters and questioned his silence on the issue for 11 years. Khera claimed Congress deported more foreign nationals than BJP. He called Shah's deleted post proof of political hypocrisy. India declared their innings at 518 for 5 after centuries from Shubman Gill and Yashasvi Jaiswal. The duo built India's dominance in Delhi. West Indies bowlers struggled as Warrican took 3 wickets. India now hold complete control of the second test match. Ravindra Jadeja and Kuldeep Yadav worked in tandem to destroy the West Indies middle order. The visitors ended day 2 at 140 for 4. Jadeja took 3 wickets while Kuldeep struck once. India declared earlier at 518 for 5. West Indies trailed by 378 runs in the first innings.